everyone. I had just a quick little video to share, but first of all, I had to share this news with you guys because I know you guys will get it. Because everybody I tell looks at me like I'm strange, but I know you guys will get this. Okay, so the other day I'm in my Etsy account and I open it up and there is a message from Tim Holtz. Okay, so I know you guys get this, right? And so I'm like, oh, there's somebody out there named Tim Holtz that's faking it or something. But he's asking me if he can buy a commercial license to use some of my products. In fact, it's this product, so I printed it off to show you. And so I'm totally geeking out and getting all crazy, and I have a grin on my face from ear to ear, and I can't stop smiling. So I wait a minute just to savor the moment, and then I messaged him back, and we had a great conversation. And yes, it is the Tim Holtz. And I was just super excited. And so I printed this to show you guys. See? Tim Holtz. Woo! Anyway, but I can't print the conversation to show you because I was such a nerd. Anyway, he was so gracious and so kind and just super fun. And so I'm super excited because he's going to hopefully be able to use some of these products to use on a product that he is going to be making. So, so excited. Anyway, but I wanted to show you guys the product and show you what I kind of envision this product being used for. I'll put a link below to the product. These are just called the vintage tidbits. And I actually found these in old documents and then turned them into just kind of a stamped look for these papers and just made a collage. And my vision for them was to get your tear ruler, or you could just tear it by hand. This is my homemade tear ruler. I have a tutorial for that one too. But anyway, just to get these, and then just go ahead and, now that I tried to do it on camera, I'm probably going to blow it. Just tear them out into little scraps, like yay. I'll just take that one too. And then go ahead and ink those edges, and then just have these fun little, let me show you that up close. This is just from a ledger. Isn't that cool? It just turns out really cool when you print them. And just have these fun little tidbits lying around that you can kind of use to collage with, or just add into your pages as decoration or embellishments. So I have a few here that I've already just been working on, but you can see how fun these would be to just have lying around. That one is torn, and the rest of them I liked with my tear ruler. So just some fun little tidbits. And then here's an example of like a tag I made with it. So super simple, super fun, but it gives a really fun little vintagey effect when you go ahead and layer that on there. So this right here is one of them. And the rest is just some scraps I had around, and then I put on there the Just You Wait. So it just makes a really beautiful effect. So anyway, I was super happy that someone else named Tim Holtz noticed how fun this could be too. So anyway, maybe you'll think of something fun to do with it. And you could do this with really any page, just to have these lying around in a little baggie or whatever to just use when you need a little extra layer. So super fun, super excited to see what Tim Holtz is gonna do with it. I'm still grinning from ear to ear, and I knew you guys would understand, so thanks for letting me kind of geek out with you for a minute. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.